So let's also learn how to dance a little bit. So soften your knees like this, and I want you to feel weight under your feet. Do you feel weight to your heels as well as the ball of the feet? Yeah, so do like this. So now salsa, if we straight our legs, that's not a salsa. If we bend, that's how we're gonna dance salsa. Now as you bend, don't open your knees out, just keep them more or less together. Yeah, so knee slightly soft. And now try to like this, straight and bend one knee like this, like you walk. Your knees, do your knees, your knees, your knees. Do straight, bend, Okay, so let's do just walks. So stay soft knees and let's do just walks and step on the flat foot with the weight on it. Go like this. 1, 2, 3. And make a little noise. 1, 2, 3. Right. 1, 2, 3. Let's do everybody with the right foot. So we do the same. We go 1, 2, 3. And let's say together with me. Say 1, 2, 3. But also say with the speed I speak. So not fast and not slow and not 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's the rhythm. So I'll teach you the rhythm as well. So rhythm is like something repetitive, having the same pace all the time. So count with me with the same pace. Say 1, 2, 3. Excellent. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now when you do the steps in place, don't focus on lifting the legs, but focus on putting foot down. So it's not this 1, 2, 3. It's more down, 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 down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now for you, watch. Not only like this. Just lift the whole foot, the whole foot, the whole foot, and do this. Yeah, and do a sound for me. Yes. And you see, look at my body. You see, I'm kind of like rocking into the step. You see, I'm rocking it. 1. So there is like a weight to it. So I'm not doing, see difference between this and this. So there is like a weight to it. Yes. Like you put your weight to it. 1. Now I'm standing on this leg, so I go to other side. 2, and other side. 3. And you see there is like this body rocking. That's already your body action, which is very good. Otherwise, it's just going to be just this, like legs. So we want to use body as well. So go 1, 2, 3. So say with me, 1, 2, 3. Say Heidik with me. Say 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And now we say 1, 2, 3. Silent 4. So 4 is on our mind. 4. And then we say 5, 6, 7. Silent 8. So that will be the best rhythm for salsa. So it has this like the slower count to it. So we go 1, 2, 3, silent 4, 5, 6, 7, silent 8. So we hold a little bit on the third step. So we totally have 3 steps. The last one is a little longer. Or we can say quick, quick, slow. So let's try to say quick, quick, slow just for quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. And now with the counts, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Still for you, gentlemen, you're only doing legs. So you want to somehow do your weight. There should be weight behind those legs. Because look, this is no weight, you see? This is just like this. And now look at the weight. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. So you're hitting a little bit like a groove. 7. Look at my body. Boom. 2, 3, 5, 6. Yeah, that's already look like a dance. Before was looking like a marching, like a soldier style. That's not recommended. Okay. So let's try with the music. I play slow song. First we try to listen and then see if we can follow that song. First let's train our ear. We're gonna focus on the music. Maybe a little bit more loud. Don't dance, just listen. 5, 6, 7. 2, 3. Listen to the drum. 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Pa, pa. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1. Let's try now with our hands. Clap. Pa, pa, hop. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, but when you clap, don't listen to your clap. Listen to the music. You clap to, you're not like. So we listen to the music and produce clap as the music. 6, 7. Pa, pa, pa. And see how a clap matches. Ta, ta. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Step, step, step. Pa, 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 pa. Now no clapping, just step, step, step. 5, 6, 7. Let's start with the right. Everybody the same. With the right. We're gonna start with the right. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3. Boom, boom, boom. 5, 6, 7. Cheek, cheek, cheek. Cheek, cheek, cheek. Pa, pa, pa. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, hold. Hold. 1, 2, hold. Pa, pa, ha. Try with the right foot. Everybody with the right. With the right. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Cheek, cheek, cheek. Now let's do, close your feet. Let's do in place first. Then we're gonna travel. In place. 5, 6, 7. Go. Pa, pa, pa. And hands like this, like you run. Rhythm. Ta, ta, ta. Now with this step, let's try to walk forward. Pa, pa, pa. Forward. Pa, pa, pa. Pa, pa, pa. Pa, pa, pa. Backward. Pa, pa. Hold. Hold. 1, 2, hold. Side. Pa, pa, pa. Pa, pa, pa. Side. Side, side, side. Left. Pa, pa, pa. In place. 1, 2, 3. Now rock step. Back and together. Front and together. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Pa, 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 pa. That's already better. Because remember before you learned your basic step, it didn't look like a dance. Now it has already a little bit rhythm.